Jim likes his new train table. Jim, can you show him how you put your engine in there? In the garage? What goes in there? I think oh, there you go.